Welcome to the magical world of adventure.
Welcome to the magical world of adventure with Zoetoons TV.
Hello friends. Today, I'm excited to tell you a story about the brave little cloud. There was a tiny cloud named Fluff who loved to watch the birds fly by. While other clouds made rain, Fluff was too small to do much more than make a tiny drizzle. One hot day, Fluff noticed a little flower in a garden drooping from thirst. Though small, Fluff floated down close to the flower and shared their tiny bit of rain. To Fluff's surprise, the flower perked right up and smiled. Soon other flowers asked for Fluff's help too. Day after day, Fluff visited the garden, giving each flower just the right amount of gentle rain. Word spread through the sky about Fluff's special garden. The sun began to peek through other clouds just to watch Fluff at work. Even the butterflies started following the little cloud around, dancing in the gentle sprinkles. One morning, Fluff discovered a new friend in the garden, a tiny seedling struggling to grow. "Don't worry," Fluff whispered, "they'll visit you every day." True to their word, Fluff came back each morning and evening. The seedling grew into a beautiful sunflower, so tall it could almost reach up and touch Fluff. Other clouds started learning from Fluff. Instead of always making big rainstorms, they learned that sometimes a gentle sprinkle was just what was needed. Soon, little gardens started blooming all over town. At night, Fluff would rest above their special garden, glowing softly in the moonlight. The flowers would wave goodnight with their leaves, and the stars would twinkle their approval. And so, the smallest cloud in the sky became known as the one with the biggest heart, proving that what matters most isn't how big you are, but how much you care. We hope you enjoyed the story. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting stories and adventures.